Hello and welcome to the nVent TRACHTE Texas facility. Our industry-leading engineered building solutions support data centers, infrastructure, and energy storage applications around the United States. We would like to give you a tour of our facility to highlight recent improvements we have made to provide a safer build process, improve quality, and reduce lead time. There are 5 workstations in the structural assembly department used to build the floor, also known as the skid, of our buildings. The skid fabrication cell is utilized for the floor fabrication process, and as you can see, welders are installing the major and minor beams on this skid. The next station is for fabrication of tubing frames that will be installed on the base to provide structural support and integrity for the exterior walls of the building. In the next workstation, the skid is flipped upside down so that we can install insulation and a protective pan to the bottom of the base and apply a protective coating. Then we install the floor cap and the casters, which allow us to move the buildings throughout the facility on what we call the flow line. There are 2 paint booths in this facility. The first paint booth we are traveling through is used to apply a protective coating to the building floor. This process was specifically researched, engineered, and implemented in accordance with our customers' requests. After floor coating is applied, the building moves into the house department where teams construct the walls, install ceiling supports, attach the roof and interior liner panel. Here we also install other structural elements per customer specification, such as fire protection, insulation, bulkheads, and HVAC openings. From the house department, painters prepare the building for wet paint application booth by wiping down the entire surface of the interior and exterior of the building and caulk any joints, doors, or trim. The entire building goes into the paint booth, where painters apply primer and paint to the interior and exterior of the building. This new paint booth can accommodate building sections up to 80 feet long. During our lean manufacturing process, this new booth was identified as a key piece of manufacturing equipment needed to help reduce labor cost, increase productivity, and meet on-time delivery schedules. After paint, we store buildings here until the coating has had time to completely cure. Once cured, we install doors, hardware, and temporary covers needed for shipping. Our newly expanded front pad is used for the purpose of storing and staging buildings, once completed and prepared for shipping. At nVent TRACHTE, we will continue to build on what matters most to our customers: safety, resiliency, quality, and serviceability. We hope you enjoyed this tour, and we look forward to seeing you on your next visit to nVent TRACHTE.